Hello and welcome to this Linux Essential course. First of all, go through the intro of the matter. Hey there, I'm Abhishek Kafle. You can call me Abhi as well. I'm not a professional teacher but might be a good learner. Though I don't have any professional certificate, I could explain the topic with regard of my experience and knowledge. Hope you all are interested for the Linux. Happy learning. Why this Linux Essential? This Linux Essential course is especially for beginner as well as intermediate level learners. See, nobody is perfect. We make mistakes, we say wrong things, we do wrong things, we fall, we get up, we learn, we grow, we move on, we live. If you ever feel any kind of doubts, you can simply ping me on my Telegram account. Here is username. Let's come to course overview. A quick overview of the subject I am teaching now. Introduction. Here we comes to introduction, then we go through installing Parotoyas. Difference between GUI and CLI, accessing the command line, managing files from the command line, creating, viewing and editing text files, managing local users and groups, controlling access to files, monitoring and managing Linux processes, controlling services and daemons, connect to SSH, Wargames concept plus BPS. At last, we go through assignment as a CTF. It's a bonus. Requirement for the class: computer and laptop. You must have computer and laptop that should have minimum 4 GB RAM. You must be an interested guy and a dedicated too. You have to take a note for each and every terms if you feel anything new.